Most RVs claim they're built for full-time living. But once you start looking closely, the differences become obvious. Storage matters. Comfort matters. Build quality matters. And when you plan to spend weeks or even months on the road, those details can completely change your experience. Today on RVenture Life, we're stepping inside a luxury fifth wheel that has become one of the most talked about floor plans in the RV world. It's designed for travelers who want residential comfort without stepping into an oversized rig that becomes difficult to tow and maneuver. So the big question is simple: could you actually live in this RV full time? Let's take a closer look and find out. Right away, one of the biggest advantages of this fifth wheel is its size. At around 36 feet long, it stays manageable compared to many luxury fifth wheels that stretch well beyond 40 feet. That makes campground access easier and gives owners more flexibility when traveling. Despite the shorter overall length, it still delivers impressive carrying capacity and a substantial build, making it a serious contender for extended travel and full-time RV living. Before stepping inside, there are several exterior features worth highlighting. One of the most unique details is the propane setup. Instead of the typical arrangement seen on many fifth wheels, this RV comes equipped with 3 40-pound propane tanks. That additional propane capacity can make a major difference during long trips, especially when using the furnace, water heater, and stove regularly. Moving along the front storage area, you'll find a large pass-through compartment with excellent vertical space. It's not just roomy, it's designed with functionality in mind. Another standout feature is the built-in multi-stage water filtration system. That's something rarely seen as a standard feature in this segment, and can be a valuable addition for travelers who spend extended time on the road. The RV also includes a powerful inverter system and upgraded insulation materials beneath the flooring, helping improve efficiency and comfort throughout changing weather conditions. Additional exterior features include auto-leveling, durable baggage doors, a tankless water heater, generator prep, and an upgraded pin box designed to improve towing performance. As we make our way toward the entry door, there are a few details that immediately stand out. The oversized window beside the entrance brings in a tremendous amount of natural light, helping the interior feel more open and inviting. There's also preparation for an exterior security camera above the door, along with an upgraded entry handle that makes opening and closing the door easier from multiple positions. Another advantage is the extended warranty coverage, offering additional peace of mind compared to many competitors that provide only basic 1-year protection. Stepping inside, the first thing you'll probably notice is the bright and modern interior design. The light-colored cabinetry creates an open atmosphere and helps the entire living area feel larger than it actually is. Combined with the abundant windows throughout the coach, the space feels airy and welcoming. Because this floor plan prioritizes the living area, the main room feels exceptionally spacious for a 36-foot fifth wheel. The cabinetry itself deserves attention. You'll find solid wood cabinet doors finished with a high-gloss appearance that adds a premium residential look. Soft close hinges and quality construction further elevate the feel throughout the coach. The kitchen is one of the strongest areas of this floor plan. Centered around a large cooking space, it features a 4-burner stove, a residential-style oven, and generous countertop space on both sides. That balanced layout creates a comfortable cooking environment and makes meal preparation much easier. Above the stove sits a large microwave that also functions as both a convection oven and air fryer, adding additional versatility for daily use. The refrigerator setup is another premium touch. Unlike many RV refrigerators, this unit includes a built-in water and ice dispenser, bringing residential convenience directly into the coach. Nearby, a dedicated pantry provides additional storage, while a coffee station creates a practical space for morning routines and everyday organization. One of the most impressive surprises in the kitchen is the factory-installed dishwasher. That's a feature many luxury fifth wheels either charge extra for or don't offer at all. For travelers spending extended periods on the road, it can make daily living significantly more convenient. Storage throughout the kitchen has clearly been well thought out. The drawers utilize quality joinery construction, soft close operation, and a variety of layouts designed to maximize organization. The island itself includes a dual trash bin compartment hidden beneath a removable cutting board surface, adding both functionality and efficiency. The sink area comes equipped with multiple accessories, including a cup rinser and expandable workspace, creating a highly practical workstation for everyday use. Moving into the living room, comfort becomes the main focus. The theater seating directly faces the entertainment center, creating an ideal viewing arrangement. Instead of traditional faux leather furniture, these seats use a premium cloth material. That means they stay comfortable in both hot and cold weather while avoiding some of the wear issues commonly associated with synthetic leather. Across from the seating area sits the television and electric fireplace. The fireplace serves as an additional heat source while adding a residential touch to the space. Behind the TV is another clever feature. The television can be lowered using an integrated lift system, revealing a rear window that dramatically improves outdoor visibility and allows for panoramic campsite views when entertainment isn't the priority. The sofa provides additional seating and converts into a sleeping area when needed, making it useful for overnight guests. Overhead storage throughout the living room ensures there's plenty of room for personal belongings without making the area feel crowded. Looking upward, the barrel-style ceiling enhances headroom and contributes to the spacious feeling inside the coach. Climate control is another area where this fifth wheel performs exceptionally well. 3 air conditioning units help maintain comfort throughout the interior, while the ducted system keeps operation remarkably quiet. Even when the system is running, noise levels remain surprisingly low, creating a much more enjoyable living environment. As we head toward the bathroom, you'll notice that the floor plan allocates most of its square footage to the living area. Even so, the bathroom remains highly functional. The shower is especially impressive. Its width exceeds what's typically found in many fifth wheels, creating a much more comfortable experience. Inside the shower, you'll find multiple spray options, including a handheld wand, body sprayer, and lower spray feature. A larger ventilation fan helps improve airflow, while the surrounding storage compartments provide practical organization space. The vanity includes a residential-style sink, illuminated medicine cabinet, multiple drawers, and additional storage beneath. The porcelain foot-flush toilet and pocket privacy door complete the bathroom area. Moving into the bedroom, the king-size bed immediately becomes the focal point. Positioned east to west, the bed allows for expanded floor space thanks to the deep slide-out design. That extra slide depth helps create a more open and comfortable sleeping area. Windows surrounding the bed bring in additional natural light, while dedicated reading lights provide convenience for nighttime use. A television is already installed and integrated into custom cabinetry, creating a finished residential appearance. Storage remains a major strength here as well. Multiple drawers, wardrobe compartments, and dedicated washer and dryer connections give owners flexibility depending on their travel needs. If a washer and dryer aren't installed, the space becomes additional wardrobe storage. Underbed storage adds even more capacity for larger items and seasonal gear. Returning outside, there are still several impressive features worth mentioning. Exterior speakers, side camera preparation, additional storage compartments, and the upgraded pin box all contribute to a premium ownership experience. The 6-point hydraulic auto-leveling system simplifies campsite setup, reducing effort and saving valuable time. This RV is also designed for true 4-season use. The enclosed underbelly protects critical systems, while heated holding tanks and protected plumbing help improve cold weather performance. The suspension system is another major highlight. Featuring an upgraded design with additional reinforcement, it's built to improve ride quality and durability over long distances. At the rear, a molded fiberglass cap enhances appearance while contributing to overall build quality. You'll also find a power cord reel, roof-mounted solar system, backup camera preparation, security camera prep, and a rear hitch for additional utility. Up on the roof, the solar package works alongside the RV's electrical systems to support extended off-grid capability. The roof construction and ceiling are designed to provide long-term protection, though regular inspections remain an important part of responsible RV ownership. Taken as a whole, this fifth wheel delivers a compelling combination of luxury, practicality, and full-time living capability. From the triple propane setup and dishwasher to the premium suspension, quiet climate system, expansive living area, and 4-season design, it offers features that many competing models simply don't include. For travelers looking for residential comfort in a manageable-sized luxury fifth wheel, it's easy to see why this floor plan continues to attract so much attention. But now the question goes to you. After seeing everything this RV has to offer, could you picture yourself living in it full-time? Let us know what you think. And if you enjoy detailed RV tours like this one, make sure you stay tuned to RVenture Life for more incredible RVs, luxury fifth wheels, and innovative camping rigs from across the industry.